In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate in Meshy AI. We'll take a character from model to motion by creating or uploading a 3D model, letting Meshy auto-rig it with bones, and then applying a preset animation like walking, running, jumping, dancing, or even combat moves. Meshy's AI animation system is designed for humanoids, stylized characters, bipeds, and even some quadrupeds, so you can get convincing results across a range of styles. Start by creating or uploading your 3D model. You can generate a character with text to 3D, convert an image with image to 3D, or upload your own asset in .fbx, .obj, or .glb format. Meshy supports animating uploaded custom models directly in the workspace, so there's no extra conversion step. For better animation results, begin with a clean T-pose or A-pose, keep the arms separated from the torso, avoid merged legs, and steer clear of long capes or oversized clothing that can tangle during motion. Community users consistently report that simple, clean humanoid shapes rig much better and produce fewer artifacts. Once your model is ready, open the Animate tool. In the Meshy workspace, select your character and click Animate to start the rigging process. Meshy will automatically detect body parts, place bones, create the skeleton, and apply weight painting. This auto-rigging usually completes in under 30 seconds, turning your static mesh into a rigged character that's ready to move. Some models may prompt you to place rigging markers for extra accuracy. If you see that step, carefully position the markers at the head, hands, elbows, knees, and feet. The more precise the placement, the cleaner the movement and the fewer glitches you'll see. Align each marker to the actual joint location, centered and not drifting into nearby geometry. Meshy's own guidance emphasizes that precise marker placement improves deformation quality, so it's worth taking a moment to get this right. After rigging, open the animation library and choose a motion preset. Meshy currently includes idle, walk, run, jump, dance, combat, emotes, and a variety of attack animations, with over 100 presets available. A good approach is to audition a gentle motion like idle or walk first to confirm the rig behaves well before trying more dynamic actions. Preview the animation in the 3D viewer. Rotate the camera, zoom in, and watch how the joints bend, especially at elbows, knees, wrists, and ankles. Check for clipping or twisting. Meshy allows real-time preview before export, so iterate until the movement looks natural. That's all it takes to animate in Meshy AI.